Welcome, today I'm reviewing Lenovo Tab P11 Plus and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, close, tap to OK, and here we can see information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 27 and 6 degrees. And now just it's changed to the 28. So also we can see here more information like battery health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.